Okay guys, I'm really sorry for clickbaiting. I'm bloated as fuck too, but I saw a video on Facebook that really broke my heart. I was literally in tears. I'm not even kidding. But this is about football. I know there's nothing related to football on my channel, but this is a sports-based channel as well, right? So why not talk about this? Let's watch this video completely, and then let's do a little bit of talking as well.
Country to Mumbai to support us. Amazing. All the fans from Mumbai who came and watched us, thank you so much for all the encouragement. It means the world to us. But today I'm making this video not for you guys. I'm going to speak, appeal and request all of you who did not come. To everyone who is not a football fan, please come and watch us. Two reasons. Number one, it's the best game in the world. And number two, we play for our country. We'll make sure that once you come to watch us, you will not go the same person back home. To all of you who are fans of big European clubs and support your European clubs with so much passion, and sometimes you guys think that the level is not same, so why to waste your time? Agreed, the level is not the same, not even close. But with our desire and determination, we'll make sure, we'll try our best to make your time worth. To all of you who have lost hope or do not have any hope in Indian football, I request you, come and watch us in the stadiums. I mean, it's not fun to criticize or abuse on internet. Come to the stadium, do it on our face, scream at us, shout at us, abuse us. Who knows, one day, we might change you guys. You might start cheering for us. Please come. To all of you who are fans but could not come, did not come, delay, work, school, please come and watch in the stadiums. Come and watch us in the stadiums. You guys have no idea how important you guys are and how important your support is. So today I'm requesting you, all of you, 4th, 7th and hopefully 10th June we are playing in Mumbai. Please come and support us, encourage us, watch us, abuse us, criticize us, talk about the game, go back home, have discussions, make panels, but please get involved. This is a very, very important time and juncture in Indian football, and football in India needs you guys. So here I'm requesting you, please come and watch us in the stadium, now in Mumbai, and whenever we play, wherever we play, if you're in the same city, come to the stadiums and watch us. Please. Jai Hind.
Okay guys, so you all watched the video. Let me know what you think in the comments box down below. What might be the solution? But I want to give my opinion on this because you all know I can't keep anything inside. And this video literally broke my heart, guys. And just think, guys, what people of other countries who might, this video might go, the video Sunil Chetri posted on Facebook might go viral, and other people from other countries might watch it. They can do positive, take it in a positive way and support, but they also can, literally they might laugh like what is happening in Indian football. Let me tell you one thing, guys. Crowd or the supporters in the stadium matter a lot for a football team. I know that for a fact because I watch so many matches, so many football matches that the grounds are filled, and when your team is down, the crowd gets up and starts shouting and starts supporting you, encouraging you, and that so many great teams have been, are called great teams because one of the reasons is they have the grounds filled all the time. Look at Old Trafford, look at Anfield, the Liverpool supporters, they're always filling the stadiums, right? So that is one of the reasons why the teams are successful. Now he says in this video that there are no people coming. If you want to abuse us, come abuse us. He's literally pleading, and this shouldn't happen, guys. The AIFF, All Indian Football Federation, you shouldn't have let this happen. There's nothing wrong in Sunil Chetri coming and asking for support, but this is not the way. I'm sorry, but he is too big of a person to come and ask this because he's the captain of the Indian football team. Football is the biggest sport in the world, and I do not see anyone talking about this. People are talking about Taimur Ali Khan cutting his hair, having a haircut, Salman Khan growing his hair in his hand or whatever. Modi ji flying a kite, Rahul Gandhi going to Italy. All these are news, but no one talks about football. They'll give a small segment where they'll say that India beat Chinese Taipei 5-0. Another problem is no advertising, guys. Literally, I am a huge football fan. You have no idea I literally lose sleep over football matches, but I had no idea about this. There's no promotion, there's no advertising. That's really sad. Okay, there's so much money floating over in India, and there's no money put into development. I feel, even though it's better than before, but I feel if the right people in the right position decide to take an action, it can be better. This phase is really important, like Sunil Chetri said. This phase is really important for Indian football, because all the other countries are progressing. There are underdeveloping countries with literally no money doing better. The reason is they have a certain group of people coming from outside the country, going in hunt of good talent, and they take them to their country and train them, coach them, and then send them back and they play for the country. So I don't care if you take people from smaller states and send them to UK or Germany or anywhere, or spend money on them for the academy, because we need only 11 players. To be really honest, we need 17 players, right? Is it, you guys think, is it really hard? It's just that we need to spend money on them. Okay, the whoever is in position, whoever is in the power, should take some time, spend some money, find people first, get few coaches, pay them hell lot of money. It's okay how much money you pay. These coaches, they have the right eyes. They know if this person has the temperament, if this person has the professionalism to succeed in the future. So find them, spend money on them, send them to some academies, and this is how you will find, guys. I'm sorry, but we do not have good coaches in India, and that is one of the reasons why footballers lack that final touch. You can have all the talent in the world, but you need to understand the game better from a young age, not watching other matches. You just need to be coached. So I believe, unless you're Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, but I believe that is the problem, guys. And as far as people not going to the game, I just believe that AIFF should take responsibility in advertising it better. Pay the fucking news channels, pay whoever you want, and promote the matches. Otherwise, people will not be aware. And I'm sorry, guys, but this really broke my heart. I don't know why I'm making this video, but this shouldn't be happening. Imagine Mahendra Singh Dhoni coming and literally doing this. It would be a huge thing, right? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And Rajvardhan Singh Rathore, sir, you are a great Olympian. You are the Minister of Sports, I guess, and I think you have the ability to do this. You started a new mission, called something like Hum Fit to India Fit. But to be honest, that will not make India fit. Doing one set won't make India fit. Okay, so please, take up issues like this. Make people aware. You have almost 2 million followers. Talking about 2 million followers, be unique. Be unique. He's bought all the tickets for the B block, I guess, for in the Andheri Sports Complex. So if you're in Mumbai tomorrow, that's 4th of June, go watch the match. I think then there's a match on 7th and 9th, I guess, or 10th. So please watch these matches if you are. And why don't you get matches to Goa? Why don't you get the matches to Kerala? Why don't you get matches to Manipur? Or why don't you get matches to Kolkata? Why not? If you are not getting results in Andheri, why do you want to stick there? Trust me, guys, even if the ticket price is 250 or 500 or 1000, people will fill up the stadiums in Kerala. I can guarantee you that. There was even a player who played for India called Mohammad Rafi. He was literally like 6 kilometers from the place that I lived. Okay, so there's so much talent in India, guys. It's not like we don't have talent. We just need that nurturing, guys. Or I don't care. Put money on kids and send them abroad, because here we won't get good coaching. I'm sorry, but this shouldn't have happened, guys. I'm literally disappointed, not by Sunil Chetri. It shows how passionate he is about football, how much he loves to play for the country. I watched a match last year, when India played in the Asian Cup qualifiers. Luckily, the good thing is India has qualified for the Asian Cup now, so that's a good sign. But the atmosphere in Bengaluru was next level, guys. It was a different scene altogether. So I have great memories of that as well. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry. Just I'll drop the link to Sunil Chetri's video. Go share it, please, so that people recognize it. Don't share this video. Share his video. Link will be in the description, guys. Thank you so much. See you all.